Hello guys, welcome to Coding Cafe. In this tutorial we will gonna start working on our home page, but first we need a JavaScript file. The link will be in the description to that file. So just copy this code from here, all the page. Okay, just copy this all page. Okay, and just paste it in here and save as jQuery.js and save this at jQuery.js. Okay, then click save. Just delete this one. So here is our jQuery file. Okay, so just cut this from here and just go to your examp htdocs and chat folder and then pages and just paste it over here. Okay, so now let's start working on our home page. So first we will start the session which will connect this home page into our login page. Session start. Okay, and down we will just create an HTML tags. Okay, like this, and we will give title to it that welcome to my chat. Okay, so in the body tag we will just create a center tag, and in center tag we will have a tag of h2, and in this h2 we will have a style, and this style we will have a color. We will just color it as orange. Okay, and the orange and font family will be TAHOMA. Tahoma. It is difficult to spell, so the family name is this, and when we will have a font size, so the font size will be 30 pixels. Okay, and then we will just here say that welcome, and then we will just create a span tag, and this span tag we will echo out the user name, which user is logged in, so we will echo their name. So php. Okay, and in we'll just say php. Okay, and in this php we'll just say that echo $_ session and then name. Okay, username, username, and it will just simply echo the username. Then just closed it, so it just come here from here because the line is ended over there, so it just come down here. Okay, so we will just, okay, it's all right. So after our center tag we will just have a br tags. Okay, so let's check if our code was working or not. So let's go login. Okay, so let's click login. Oh, there is an error. Okay, so the error is we just spell this wrong. It's SESSION. Okay, so let's check out again, save it. So here it is, welcome Lucas. Okay, so just give a space little, then checked. Okay, welcome Lucas. Okay, we are logged in as Lucas. So now let's create one chat. So we will first create a div. Okay, and this div have a ID of chat big. We will just ID will be chat big. Okay, and in this div there will be another div, and we will name this div, oh, it's div. Okay, and this div will be an ID of chat message. Okay, chat message, and its class will be scroll bar. Is some kind of HTML tags. Okay, so save this. Is chat messages, I think. Yes, chat messages. After this div we have our text area where user type their message. So text area will be equal, we will give it an ID of chat text. Yes, just fine, chat text, and its name will be also chat text. So we will just copy this and paste it over here, and placeholder will be type message and 3 full stops. Okay, like this. So save this. So now let's add some CSS to our home file. Okay, so first we will create a new page, and we will save it in our pages folder, and we will name it as home.css. Okay, and click save. Here is our home.css page. So first give the link in our home.php page after the head tag over here. So we will just say link, and half will be equals to home.css. Okay, home.css, and then save this and get back to your home.css page. So first we will just open the chat big, and we will first style up this. So we will have width of 500 px, and we were given height of I think 450 px, and we will have a border, oh, not bottom, it's border. What's doing wrong with it? Okay, so we will have a border of 1 px solid, and just like this. I think it will be alright, and margin will be auto. Okay, so save this and check it out in our browser. Guys, let's move further. So we will have an ID of chat messages. Okay, in this chat messages we will have an width of I think 50 px, and height will be 400 px, and font size will be 19 px, and font weight will be normal. Yeah, normal is alright. Okay, and after this we will have an chat text. Okay, and in chat text we will have a width of 495 px. Okay, 495 px, and height will be 48 px. Okay, and size font size will be 14 px. Okay, and border bottom will be 2px. Solid okay, and now we will have border will be 1px solid black. Okay, save this. So guys, we have a chat text with 945 height 49px and font size 14 and 2px solid hair 333 and border 1px solid black. Okay, so what we do over here is so we just close this over here and just have a background color of our body will be I think it will be like this. So body background color will be blue type. It's I think dark blue color. So let's check out in our browser. So guys, checks it's like this. Our background color is blue. Users will type message over here, and after we have a coding, then this message will show up over here, I think so. So let's go further. So now just work on our home page. Now we will use Ajax, Java and other which I just tell you. So first we will open that file which we had now in the folder, that file, that jQuery file. Now we will add that file over here. In that file, that Java Qt, now we will add this over here. So we will just script, and in this script we will have src will be jQuery query.js. So it will include the jQuery file. Okay, so now after the title we will open up in script. Okay, and in this script we will just say that $document document will be just ready, and function function, function, and after the function we will have this brackets, and after it then add curly brackets. Just press enter to get them down. So now we will just create a function. If the user press enter, then the message will directly just store in our database, except creating a submit button. Okay, so we will use Ajax. So now we will just add $sign, then two brackets, and in the brackets we will have a chat text. Okay, and then we will just say dot key, and then up key up. Okay, so after this we will have a curly brackets, and just press enter and just close it down there. Okay, so now just write a comment for ages to it, and when we press enter, then what will the code do? So if e dot key code key code equals to 13. Okay, so then we will for after this we will have dollar dot ajax, okay, ajax, and then this, and then that, curly brackets, okay, and then press enter and close this, and in ajax you will have type, and type will be post, okay, type will be post, and URL will be insert insert MESSAGE insert message.php. We will create this insert message.php page after completing the home page, okay, so don't get nervous. And then after this we will have a data, then chat text will be the same chat text, and after this we will set it success, 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 FUNCTION, function, and then brackets, and then curly brackets, and in curly brackets you have, then just say dollar chat messages, okay, dot load, and then we will just say display message.php, display display message.php. We will create this display message.php after completing home page, okay. We will create this both pages, display message and insert message, okay. So after this we will just say dollar and then this, and chat text, oh, not chat messages, chat text, then dot fill, okay, and after the, then close this, okay. Now we will create a script function to refresh the page every 1050 milliseconds. After 1050 milliseconds it will refresh the page automatically. So we will say that set interval, okay, and after this set interval we will just create function, and in this function, and then add this, okay, and then add two curly brackets and press enter and close this down here. So it will refresh after 1050 milliseconds. So and just chat message dot load, and then display messages dot php, okay, and then guys just remove this, okay, and then just cut this and paste it after this over here, okay, and just it's an error, we are getting error. So so guys just close this curly bracket down over here, okay. So now it's display message dot php. We will create this page as I tell you, so it will refresh the page every 1050 milliseconds. Okay, so now we will just say that just close this like this and dot load, and then display messages dot php. Okay, display messages here, and then over here display messages, display messages. Okay, save this, then save this, and guys, we will meet in the next video and go further. So thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel. Okay, thanks for watching.